to share with you guys today, and I'm super excited to do so. I have a Luxury Divas box, bro. So stay right where you're at. Don't move a muscle. Here comes the video. Hey beautiful people, welcome to my channel. If you're new and just happen to stumble across me, be sure to hang out, stay around, like and subscribe, because I think you would be happy that you done so. I am excited to just rip into this guy. No, we're gonna cut this like we got some sense. But this is the outer packaging, just in case you guys have ever wondered how this gets to people's home. It's in a little protected baggie, and I am so stoked to just finally be in receipt of it. I'm something else. One, I've been wanting to try a lot of boxes, and I only could try so many at a time. So I try to put things in rotation. The ones that I just like, Boxycharm, who I recently took a break from, but we're not here to talk about that. But I'm back with them. Been with them for 4 years, but I have took 2 breaks in between that time frame. And that allows me a chance to try other boxes. But this is what I've been eyeballing for 5 months. And I would ask questions, which everyone has been happy to answer. And I like the overall concept about this box, because you get accessories, you get a snack sometimes, you get clothing, you get usable items to build and accentuate your wardrobe. And so when you're paying that, I want to say $30 a month, and if you use my referral link, your first box, if you go through the subscription, will be $25. And if you buy a one-time, one-off box, it will be $35 minus the $5, which would make it $30. So I am fixing to open this up and stop being a chatty Cathy. But basically, they're an online retailer for fashion, for women's fashion. So you can just shop as you would like you were shopping at the Gap or something. So Luxury Divas have a full functioning website that caters to women's. I want to say extra small through multiple X's. So it's exclusive to the very, very thin, to the very, to the heftier ladies. Everyone should be able to find something on their website. And it's just not just clothes. There's hats, there's handbags, there's socks, there's sunglasses, and etc. Oh, I got a handwritten note, and it looks like my stylist is Marina. So even though these are like core pieces are being selected from you, there will be a little bit of variation between each box based on what style category you're in. So for your reference, I am in the chic and trendy, and I did message them to ask prior to doing so, and I asked, was it okay if I sent a couple of pictures of myself in some of the different clothes that I have that I like wearing, so that they could gauge me into which style category I was in. I also told them I'm in between sizes right now, and what would they suggest for the number that I'm at. And so they told me an extra large. Let's see. She said, hello, Aisha XOXO. And Marina's picture is here in the corner. Coolness. Thank you so much for getting this month's August box. I'm Marina, your personal curator. I think you'll love this box because it's perfect for the up-and-coming change in the season, as well as using this stuff walking on those Florida beaches. Enjoy. Hey, man, you get one of these. My daughter said I'll make them very well, but you get the gist. You get the gist. And then we have like a little brochure, and then there's some writings on the back from a lady named Deborah D. Moser at luxurydivas.com. And then it gives their contact information and their website. She may be the owner. You think? You think I would know? Operations Director, Mr. Frank. And so, yes, it's giving you some insight, which I will read so I can become more familiar with the company. And then it talks about what's in my box and etc. So let's get going. 4 minutes in. 4 minutes in. There's some stickers to keep everything closed and not, you know, get escaping the box during transit. I really don't like, this my scissors cut it, you know, tearing into this. I don't know that I would reuse if I would use the paper over, but let's see. Okay, this guy here, I'm not going to show it to you because I want you guys to be surprised as I'm trying to be surprised, but this is listing the value and what's all in my box, in the box value. And then look, guys, I see my favorite color in the world. See the look, you see the grin, don't you? Look, I'm going for the color over the snacks. Lord, look what Ro got. Ro done got her a cap up in this mofo. Yes, yes, stripe. So let's see. We got some popcorn, some white cheddar, which I prefer white cheddar or caramel. And then we got some goodies. So let's get into the goodies. Look like we got some chilling at the beach, chilling somewhere on some bleachers, just chilling. Sunglasses, come on. Who ain't a rock star? Man, I'm finna go roll with Aerosmith with my pink hat. Oh boy, they done got me started with this hat. I'm loving it. Mirror reflected and all, y'all. Let's go make a video, y'all. Gonna be on just dancing, some dancing mamas with our baseball caps. So this is cute. I like this, and she just don't know. I was telling Nikki, Southern Mom, in her comment section that I would use my cap when I go on walks around the neighborhood, and ooh, I'm genuinely stoked by that. And y'all see the little razoring? Y'all used to razor y'all denim back in the day, because I most certainly did. I done botched up some jeans, and then some was pretty cool. Let's go on to the next thing. So we got a jewelry box here, which makes me think this is a jewelry item. And it is. Well, dang. Come on, earrings, work with me. Take two. Look, y'all. Look at that. And I like hoops, and this is like a almost like a teardrop, just a much wider one. Style earrings. I like that. It can go with something casual, and it'll work with something a little bit more, you know, dressier. Nice. I'm really liking them shades. Them shades make you take on a whole new persona. Look, we're gonna put these back. Oh, they done sent the wrong sister. That's my limousine. We got a facial mask of some sort, so let's see. Oxygen bubble mask, 2 treatments. 2 treatments, no kidding. For clean and bright skin, deep cleansing and brightening, oxygen formula, peach and papaya extract. Now, I've received something from a FabFitFun long time ago, and it had papaya. The brand might come to me, and my skin did like that very much. It was happy about. Oh, my shades had a bag, but it got away. It had got out during its way, making its way to me. But that's okay. So let's see here. Now we got a soft case drawstring sunglass bag. I thought that was a little odd that it was just loose. These mines, they didn't give these to me. Well, I'm like, where these come from? Lord, help your child. Look, y'all. What sister can't use? Shoot, a brother can use him some leggings, especially nowadays. Look, I got gray, and I like gray. This got a decent enough band, pretty much a almost 1.5 inch band here at the waist. So it should really keep it from rolling, you know. I hate when leggings do it. Just like, bye. You don't deserve a place in my wardrobe if you're gonna act like that. And this is plus size long, Sophia, whoever that is, and extra large. Again, I did message them, and they told me that's the direction to go in. And so there's the leggings. And then the last thing I'm seeing here is wrapped up. Come on. You can get in there, roll. Oh, that's cute. You know, little touches like that make a person feel like someone cares. And then look how I unraveled it. And this is an extra large too. Oh, I got the same shirt as Nikki. Okay. See y'all, little t-shirt. And so you got the striped colors background, some red, some teal, some whites, and then you have the solid here on the front, but the pocket coordinates with what's going on in the back, and then the sleeve has this cuff, and then it's got the contrast color of the teal that's in there. So I got snacks. I got a complete chill outfit. I don't know that my hat, let's see guys, I don't know, my hat might not go with the outfit. That's okay. The hat would work with the leggings with a different shirt. And I much rather have a pink hat than some of the other colors I've seen. So Roll ain't complaining. This, I would go somewhere in this. For ice cream, hell, the movies. I want to be comfortable. So I like this. This is cute. And stay tuned to the end of the video. I'll put it on so you guys can see what it looks like. And I'm right now a 14W leaning into a 16. So you'll see what that extra large looks like, at least on my 5'3" body. The whole retail value for this box, and I paid $25. I signed up under Nikki. If you like to give me a try, you know, not me a try, but signing up under me, giving the box a try. And then, yeah, your first box would either be $25 or $30. But let's see. The shirt was $23. The hat was $20. The leggings $20. The sunglasses, which is a retro polarized sunglasses with a soft case. The earrings were $20. No, the earrings was $23. And then the face mask was $5, giving it a grand total of $111. I think that's an awesome return. And look at this. I never noticed this in nobody's video, but yeah, it gives you, put your whole name. The deals all yours to keep. The details are all yours to keep. Exclusively curated for Aisha Roll monthly subscribers. You know, little things like this, even though all of this may be outlined for what box is going to get this particular variation, but the name wouldn't be. So someone still has to go in and put that name on it. And this shipped really quickly from the time I signed up. So I'm excited for September. I have no idea what we're going to get, but I'm excited to find out. And like I said, I'm going to change out of this. I'm going to put the shirt and the leggings on, take a picture, so stay tuned to the end so you guys can see what it actually looked like on me. And that'll give you an idea at home if you're chic and trendy, if you're around the 5'3" height, you're around that 14, 16 size, number size, what the extra large would look like. So thanks for watching, everyone. Aside that, if you're new and you never knew me before now, be encouraged to subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and have a blessed day, everyone. Peace. Okay, so this is the outfit that came in the box. No shapewear and all that tonight, guys. Hell no. But this is what it looks like. Of course, like I said, I don't know that I would wear the shirt with the gray leggings, but I just wanted to show you guys what it looks like. And I do have room, so I'm not feeling constrained or like I had to stuff my way into it. It fits totally fine. And the shirt has a little bit of slinkiness to it. There's room for me in the arms. So I think it was a great decision for me. Right now, I'm going to pop these bad boys back on. I got the Beastie Boys. You know, I don't put the cap on like the Beastie Boys, you know what I mean? You know, do it like that. I got the earrings in from the box. I got the glasses on. You know, come on. All I need on is a pair of Adidas. You know what I'm saying? Then we could just go to the ball game somewhere. No, I know. Not to the ball game. I done messed up the fantasy. All right, guys. That's enough from me. Have a blessed day. Peace.